Residents of Manila will be receiving cash gifts from the City Hall. Manila Mayor Isko Moreno announced it via Facebook Live.
Ganito po yun. Yung mga nabigyan na ng food box na magkakaroon din ng 1,000 at yung bibigyang prioridad ngayon under CACAF 2020 ng cash ay patuloy pa rin namin kayong bibigyan ng food box para pantay-pantay.
568,000 families will receive 1,000 pesos. That money will be on top of the cash aid to poor families given by the national government, and it shall be delivered to their doorsteps.
Mga barangay official, house to house, wala pong pila. Kaya niyong ikutin yan. Yung inyong mga barangay, bawat pamilya na itinala ninyo ay dapat niyong bigyan ng 1,000 pesos bawat isa.
Moreno is aware that families have been struggling during the lockdown. He hopes to ease their burden through the City Amelioration Crisis Assistance Fund.
At mag-uumpisa po tayong mamimigay sa Tuesday, Wednesday, at sa tingin ko po, by Thursday, nabigyan na ang lahat ng kani-kaniyang barangay. Okay.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.